In today's video guys, I'll be showing you guys a profitable crypto arbitrage which you can do right now and start making yourself cool money online when the market is favorable. Now, before you start your crypto arbitrage, make sure you must have put down your capital. Now guys, in this crypto arbitrage, you can start with 50k, 100k, 150k, 200k, depends the amount you have, but the least you can start in order to make enormous profit is 50k. So guys, now when you look at the market now when you come at the market, when you click on trade, you see that the market price of USDT here is 1005 naira 0.8 kobo. Now when you come to the P2P section, when you come to the P2P section, you will see that 1 USD, if you filter, let's filter to okay. Now you see that 1 USD here is selling at 1035 naira 0.71 kobo. Now what do? You buy USD from the market side at the rate of 1005 naira, then you sell at the P2P section. Now how do you do this? First, you go to deposit. Okay, you click on home, you go to deposit, and let's say we want to deposit NGN. First you buy NGN. Okay, so the first thing is to buy NGN. Don't buy NGN with the P2P. Okay, don't buy NGN with the P2P. If not, you're not going to make profit out of this. Buy directly from fiat deposit. Okay, now how do you do that? So we have clicked on deposit. Now our capital on this arbitrage will be 100,000 naira. Now let's see the potential profit that we're going to make out of this. Guys, please, if this is your first time of coming through my channel, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and also follow every step guide that we shared here. So now you click on continue. Most times network would always fluctuate, so just keep clicking on continue. I have a pending order which has not yet been completed. Okay, alright guys, so now you come over here, enter the amount. So let's say we are funding 100,000 naira to buy NGN. So like I said, you will first of all buy NGN. So if you are buying NGN worth of 100,000, so we'll be getting 99,700, which means 300 naira will be charged on this transaction. Okay, now note it down. Our capital here is 100,000 naira and we are giving 99,700. Okay, so when you click on continue to buy, you'll be given an account number to pay to. Just pay to the account number and come back on the deposit page and click on I have paid. Your money will be sent on your Binance. Now let's assume that we have gotten NGN worth of 99,700, and let's go back to the market and convert that NGN to USDT. Alright guys, so now you click on trade. Okay, so let's assume we have gotten our NGN worth of 100,000. Now you come over here, over this space, and select NGN/USDT. Okay, you will see that. So you select this space that shows USDT/NGN. Now you convert your NGN to to USDT. You convert your NGN to USDT. Now, as you can see that the market is not currently stable, so be looking at this price to know what you are buying at. Okay. Now, if you want to leave it at market order, you click on this limit to select the market order. Okay. If you want it to be at the exact amount in which the market is showing here, you go back and click on limit order. Now you enter the amount of NGN that you want to sell to get USDT. Now let's click on, so we are giving 99,700 as a return, as a deposit. Now we'll be getting 101.4 USDT. Okay, so now you take this USDT, after conversion you take it to P2P and click on P2P. Okay, so now you filter it. You filter your sales to be at 100,000. Okay, so let's say we are selling 100,000 worth of, let's say we are selling 100 USDT. Okay, we got 100 and 101. So let's say we are selling now. You click on it. So remember our initial capital was 99,700. So let's settle this guy. So let's say we are selling 101 USD. Now you see guys, you see how much we just made now? 103,578 naira 58 kobo. Have you seen it? Now you can do this multiple times. If there's network, you can do this multiple times, and this is unlimited arbitrage that you can do for yourself and make cool amount of money. So guys, if you find value on this video, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and share to your friends. See you on my next video. Bye.